What's going on? What's going on, YouTube family? Welcome back. This your girl KSW. I am back with another video, and this video is going to be a haul from Temu and a TikTok shop. As you know, I am a gamer, so I got mostly gaming stuff. So we're gonna see what we got. This what I'm showing you now is not all of it because I'm still waiting for my PC, my gaming chair, and my gaming desk, my webcam, and some other things. So I won't be setting up in this video until I get all my stuff here, and then the next video will be me setting up the gaming stuff and stuff like that. So right now it's gonna be a haul. If you're new here, please follow me, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to let you know when I'm dropping another video. And that I got this from the TikTok shop, and I'm gonna leave everything in the description. And another thing we have is Etsy Cosmetic. It comes with 5 different sets. I also got this from the TikTok shop. I'm gonna put the price on each stuff that I paid for. Like I said, I love the nails. I love me some press-ons. If y'all are press-on, y'all get these. Y'all won't be disappointed. The next thing we have is oval press-on toenails. As you know, I do my own pedicure at home. I gotta stock up on my press-on toenails, and these are, I think they have orange, silver, gold, and some other color as well. This is my first time ever trying this brand of press-on, so I'll let y'all know what we got. And I think the next one is we want to be having the capture card. If you're doing multiple streams, or if you want to do OBS and stuff like that, you need a capture card to connect both your console, your PC, your laptop or your monitor on, so it can work at the same time. This video is going to be lengthy. And the next one we have the chat link pro card. If you in a party, in a game, and you want your stream here, the people in the background, you definitely going to need this as well. I got this from the TikTok shop. This is going to be linked once again. And the next thing we have is a stream deck. The stream deck, you can put sounds. You can have a button that styles your screen, in your screen. Anything that you want, you can put on this stream deck as well. This gonna be linked if you are into gaming or stuff like that, or just wanna or just stream, and you want to make your stream more live. So I recommend you get this. I paid an affordable price for this as well. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to let you know when I'm dropping another video. Once again, yeah. And next thing, I'm surprised this part is long, because I forgot what I said. I ain't gonna lie, I already forgot what I said. I wish my mic wasn't muted, because this whole part is like 17 minutes long. I got this. You definitely gonna need this. Your wires, your stuff you need to plug in. It got multiple plugs on the thing. You can do you can plug any plug that's in here. I got this from the TikTok shop as well. Like I said, it's gonna be in this gonna be. I'm gonna link my showcase. In this bag, they only had one thing in this bag, and that was my SD card to go in my PS5. So SD card where you can put it in where you can put more, you can get more storage, so where you can download more stuff. That's what this is. I had a hard time opening this little stuff. And I got this for Walmart as well. I got this from Walmart. My PC, my PlayStation 5, I got from Walmart. My PC, I got from Walmart and stuff like that. You definitely gonna need this if you want more storage on your P5. And another thing is, that's a mouse mat. It's something simple. I didn't want a bigger one. I just wanted a small one because only thing I'm planning on playing on my PC is Steam games. That's all. Not Fortnite. I'm not gonna re-download Fortnite just to play on the computer. I ain't buy that for that. So that's why. That's what I'm planning on doing is that right there. And this is right here. I needed some more screen protector. I was on my last one, so I had to grab that. This came from Temu. And this, I thought these screen protector for your camera, I thought that was the original ones, but it's not. I'm still going to use them as well. Something to keep my camera from not breaking. So the next part is I got the wireless headphones. The wireless headphones I got from the TikTok shop. I paid like $19 for it. It's something affordable, something you looking for, like you a gamer and stuff like that. If you need some wireless headphones, y'all get these. I heard a lot of good compliments on these headphones. I'm looking for some. I don't know what I'm looking for. These is foot soap. As you know, I do my own pedicure at home. I love this. I thought it was gonna be a big box because how they got it, it looked like it was in a big box. I do my pedicure when I do nail day. I do my pedicure, my nails, everything all in the same day. And the glue, a Severe nail glue. If you're a girl that's looking for a reliable glue, there's something that make your nails last over a week. Get this nail glue, you won't be disappointed. This April Skin Serum. I got the clay mask and I got the toner. It's 78 pink aloe. The skincare product is really good. I'm gonna make a video just using this product as well, so I can show y'all what to do. It's amazing. This also going to be in my showcase as well. I'm looking for something open. I'm reading the box on what it say. I got these from Temu. I love these. I love to use these. I needed some more. I'm going to buy some more because since I've been here for 4 years, I have not once bought new burners for my stove just by using this and cleaning them off. Man, it saved me some money as well. So y'all get this, and easy cleanup as well. I don't know what I was talking about in this video. this tripod I got from Temu as well. It got a light. It got a remote on there. It's affordable. I got this from Temu. Once again, I think I got five. I think I got five or four tripods. I gotta keep you a tripod on you in case you break one, lose one, or you need to go shopping. You always want to keep a tripod on you, and it's small too, y'all, and it's affordable. I didn't pay that much for this tripod. I don't know what I said, you guys. I just hate my video ain't have no audio. Oh, the big box of Silver nail glue, that is a Silver nail glue remover. So when you taking off your nails, instead of surfing them and stuff like that, you can get the Silver remover, and it will save you a whole lot of time by taking off your nails. So I'm going to link this as well as a combo so y'all can get both at the same time. Instead of getting one here, then one there, so you can just go ahead and buy both of them at the same time. I don't know what I was opening. I don't know what I was looking for. Once again. Oh, I got the pink and black French tips. The same company, SXC Cosmetic. These were $16. Coming with 5 pairs of nails, and these are coffin. I paid $16 and some change for this. Love their nails. And what I'm going to show you right now is press-ons. I got 3 things. I bought 3 things to press on. Let me know in the comment, do you like these press-ons that I'm going to show you in this video? Because I like them. These the details, they sturdy. Love them. You hear me? Especially them the gold and black press-ons. You hear me? Love. I cannot wait for me to put them on. I don't know what I was looking for. Y'all see these? Yeah, these right here. Y'all see these gold and black press on? These is in close up. These are so pretty. These are so pretty, and especially the other one as well that I'm finna show y'all. This mic was not working. I hate this mic. I need a new mic because I thought I was recording this whole time, and then I wasn't. I'm opening the package of the nails now to show you. These eat. These black and silver nails. These eat. I gotta go order the pink ones like this. This is the mount mount for my monitor. I bought this from the TikTok shop. Very affordable. I'm gonna link this in my showcase as well. So just be on the lookout. I'm not going to link them today because all the stuff is not here today. And plus I have to do like individual videos for this stuff. I bought this monitor from Walmart. I think I paid $89 for a 27-inch 100 hertz, and I forgot what the 108P. Very affordable. I guess hopefully I'm saying that right. It's me checking see if my mic is on, but it wasn't. Be down. Chat. I'm just running my mouth. Like I told y'all before, I don't know what the hell I said. I don't know what. I'm just going with the flow. when I add this on, this PS5, I bought this from Walmart. It was on sale. The original price was $549. It was on sale for four $449 with 1 terabyte of storage. I thought it was a disc, but in the back it said no, it don't. It's not the disc, so it's just regular one. I can't wait to get my game set up as well. I cannot wait. Like I said, well, be on the lookout. This is a little desk. This, if you have like if you have a toddler, or you a person that wind down like to read, do homework, doesn't want to eat snacks, and you don't want to put your snacks on your bed, you can get this little desk, and it will help you a lot. I didn't pay that much for it. It comes with a little drawer. It's small. It's easy to put up. It's easy to clean because it's wooden. I'm gonna put the item number on this as well. So if y'all want this, y'all can look at it, look at my video, and just write down the item number. That y'all want. I am going to link everything. Item number. This right here is my mic. This is my mic. I was waiting for this. Thank God it came, but I still need the main stuff. I still don't have my desk, my gaming desk. I still don't have my gaming table, and I don't have my my PS5 cooling charger thing. I don't have my charger thing that goes to my controller. And the stuff that I still need to stuff I still need to start setting up my gaming area. So okay, I am back. Today is Wednesday. I started setting up the stuff already. My my gaming desk still ain't here. My gaming chair is still not here. It's supposed to be delivered today, but it's late, so it's gonna come tomorrow. So I don't know when my gaming desk is going to be shipped out, because the company haven't been shipped. It hasn't been shipped out yet. So we're going to be putting on the mount on my TV. On my on my monitor, so I can put it on the table that I have.